Late Sunday night, after 8 months of travel, the Mars Science Lab sailed through the 7 minutes of terror.
At this time, Mars is actually pulling Curiosity in, and we're speeding up.
Breathless Earthlings waited as it barreled through the Martian atmosphere.
Vehicle's continuing to accelerate. We're down to about Mach 2.
Popped its parachute.
Parachute deploy. Parachute.
Dropped its heat shield.
We've acquired the ground with the radar.
An altitude of 8 kilometers.
Turned on its rockets.
We are in powered flight.
And slid down the sky crane.
Sky crane is started. We're at an altitude of 1 kilometer descending. Descending at about 0.75 meters per second as expected. Expecting bridle cut shortly. UHF is good. Touchdown confirmed. We're safe on Mars.
Curiosity even beamed back a postcard upon arrival. But the nail-biting isn't over for everyone.
We're waiting.
That's Mike Passaretti. He and Lee Carlson, engineers at Honeybee Robotics in the Big Apple, designed a piece of Curiosity's sample analysis lab. Specifically this thing, the Sample Manipulation System, known as SMS.
90% of the science roughly passes through SMS. So of our $2.5 billion mission, 90% of that roughly is on our shoulders at this point.
So there's some nervousness.
Yes.
Confirmation that SMS checks out okay should come in the next few days or so. And this instrument will be key in Curiosity's search for life. It's part of a suite called Sample Analysis at Mars, or SAM. And here's how it works. Curiosity collects dirt and even rock cores. They're ground to a powder and then funneled down into one of these 74 cups. They're like test tubes.
The entire mechanism is mounted like that with respect to gravity.
The powder sample enters through the top, and then SMS will
rotate that sample over to one of the ovens where it would be then pushed vertically into the oven itself.
Then the sample gets baked. It starts to break down and release gases. Then instruments, a gas chromatograph, a quadruple mass spectrometer, a tunable laser spectrometer, sniff that sample to see what it's made of. These tools will allow Curiosity to sense organic compounds, signs of life, at less than 1 part per billion over a wider range of molecules than ever before, says NASA. Which means this little machine had to leave Earth very, very clean.
We had the highest cleanliness requirements of anything, probably anything on the rover.
Which means lots of air showers and bunny suits. That sounds more fun than it is.
So if it takes you 10 minutes to do it here, it's to be 30 to 50 minutes inside the clean room. You spend hours in there, you're covered from head to toe.
You had to wear 2 pair of gloves instead of 1.
If you forgot to bring something in there, it's a big deal.
And the miseries of the clean room went on for a long time. Honeybee spent about 8 years designing, building, and testing the SMS.
This is pretty much all I worked on, day in, day out.
It sucks the life out of you. I don't any longer work 60, 70-hour weeks. I did for 3 years. It's not for everybody.
And not everybody gets the chance.
After a while, you start to realize that there's not that many people that can actually say that they put their hands on the hardware and designed it and assembled it and handed it over. So it's a huge honor, and it's probably one of the greatest things I've ever accomplished.